In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PowerPoint not responding or not opening on Windows 11. If PowerPoint freezes, won't start, or gets stuck on loading, we'll walk through 4 proven fixes, starting with the quickest. Follow along on your Windows 11 PC and try launching PowerPoint after each method to see if your issue is resolved. First, let's force close any stuck PowerPoint process. Right-click the Start button on your taskbar and choose Task Manager. If you see a simplified view, click More Details to expand it. In the list of running apps and background processes, look for Microsoft PowerPoint. Select it and choose End Task. This immediately shuts down anything that's frozen in the background. Once it's ended, try opening PowerPoint again from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. If it opens normally, you're good to go. If the issue persists, let's make sure Office is fully up to date. Open PowerPoint. If it opens even partially, that's fine. Go to File, then Account. On the right, click Update Options and choose Update Now. Allow the update to download and install. Don't close PowerPoint during this process. When it finishes, restart your PC to complete the update. After the restart, open PowerPoint again and check if it loads without hanging. Next, we'll reduce the chance of display-related crashes by disabling hardware graphics acceleration. Open PowerPoint, go to File, then Options, and choose Advanced. Scroll down to the Display section. Check the box that says Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration, then click OK to save. Close PowerPoint completely and reopen it. This change shifts some graphics work from your GPU back to software, which can stabilize PowerPoint on systems with flaky or incompatible graphics behavior. If you still can't get PowerPoint to behave, let's rule out problematic add-ins. In PowerPoint, go to File, Options, and then Add-ins. At the bottom of the window in the Manage dropdown, select COM add-ins and click Go. Uncheck every add-in in the list and click OK. Close PowerPoint and open it again. If it launches properly now, one of those add-ins was the culprit. Re-enable them one at a time, closing and reopening PowerPoint after each, until you identify the one that triggers the problem. Leave that one disabled so you can keep working smoothly. And that's it. With these methods, most cases of PowerPoint not responding or not opening on Windows 11 are fixed quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.